Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video we will continue to develop our coffee shop application. Okay, let's get started. I want to show this screen inside the emulator. Let's run our application. Let's pass onboarding screen and click sign in. And as you can see, we have one bottom navigation menu inside the bottom side of our device. And when the user click that search button, user can access this page. And this is a search page. Actually, you can user can search any coffee type, for example latte, like that. I mean, for example, if I wrote a coffee type, but this coffee type we don't have, as you can see. We have a no search, no results found message to user, and also we are saving to our recent searches. But of course, as I said previous videos, this entire datas are dummy data. Actually, we don't have any API implementation for now for this project. And when I clicked that cappuccino button, as you can see, cappuccino automatically will be equal to our search text. If you want, you can clear to entire search history. And also we have some popular searches. It's like a category for example, mocha or sandwich. As you can see, when I clicked that sandwich, we didn't define any sandwich variables. That's why our application couldn't find that sandwich. And also we have a one icon in here. When I clicked that icon, as you can see, there is a one sheet opening. Search filters. We have all products, categories, and stores. For example, when I click the store location and click done, nothing happened because we don't have any store. For example, categories. Yes. Okay, let's close our device and continue with code. As you can see, we have 5 state variables: search text, selected filter, and selected filter default value, selected filter dot all. This is a enum recent searches we have. It's a type of string list, and we have is searching parameter, default value false, and showing filters parameter, default value is false. I want to start with showing filters. Let's search that showing filters, which area we are gonna use. I mean, as you can see, our showing filters default value is false. When the user click that button, as you can see, we define it a action, and that action can change that default value to true. And our image is here, slider horizontally 3, that means that button. When the user click that button, our showing filter parameter will be true. And we are showing to inside a sheet actually in here. It depends our showing filter parameter. If our showing filter parameter is true, that means that shield will be open. And as you can see, we are showing to user search filter view in here. And there is a one binding parameter selected filter. It will come using the binds, and we have a environment presented mode in here, and we have a one text in here inside the vertical stack, and one more vertical stack inside the search filters all case, because we want to show to user entire filter type, all product category store. And when the user click any filter, our selected filter will be which filter user click. And as you can see, two text inside a vertical stack, filter.displayName, filter.description, and there is a one if selected filter equals to our filter. There is a one check mark, as you can see our check mark right here, right side of our device with orange color. And as you can see inside the toolbar, we have a toolbar item. It is a button with done text. When the user click that button, our presented mode wrapped value will be dismiss, like here. And our categories will automatically came here because we are using the binary parameter. Okay, let's continue. And we have popular searches in here: coffee, cold drink, dessert, americano, cappuccino, latte, mocha, tiramisu, brownie, and sandwich. And we are gonna use that popular searches list inside the lazy vertical grid, as you can see in here. And we are using the for each for do same thing for every popular search item in here. As you can see, we are gonna call our popular search cart in here, and there is a one title action, and inside the body, as you can see, we have one image icon in here and one more title. And we added some specification like padding, background, corner radius, and shadow. And as you can see, our popular search inside our screen, inside the as you can see, we are gonna use grid item with count 2. If I change the that count 2 to count 3, as you can see, our screen will be changed, but it's not fixed, it's not filled. That's why I'm changing 2. It's much better. And also we have searches in here. As you can see, it's a list of string: cappuccino, latte, tiramisu, cold brew, and americano. And inside the scroll view, because this page is scrollable, if our search text equals to is empty, right now it is empty, we didn't write any word inside our text field for fill that search text parameter, it is empty. We are providing that case. And if our resource searches is empty, is not empty, We are also providing that case inside the vertical stack. Inside the horizontal stack, we have, as you can see, resource searches, and there is a one button. That button is clear. When the user click that button, we are deleting to entire data inside our resource searches string list. And inside the lazy vertical stack, inside using the for each method, because we want to do every same method inside our research search recent search items. And we are calling our research row, recent search row. As you can see, we have search text on tab and on deletes, and we added a one icon in here and one X mark. When the user click that X mark, as you can see, we are calling the on delete in here like this. For example, I am clicking the X mark and delete cold brew inside our list. And yes, let's continue. As you can see, we have a search results list in here. It is providing us some data using our search results struct. We have ID, title, subtitle, type, and that type is coming from our search result type, product, category, or store. We have category, type of string, price, type of double, image, type of we have string, rating, type of double, and prep time, type of string. That means preparation type we have. And we are defining our data in here. Actually, for example, we have 14 datas here. We defined 14 coffee type, Americano, cappuccino, latte, like here. We added subtitle, we added price, and we added image, as you can see in here. And we have a filtered result function. It is a type of our research search result. We are gonna use that filtered result for displaying the which item we have. As you can see, when I click the cold drink, there is a one search result text you can see in the right side of our emulator, and there is a one count 3 results. That count coming from our filtered results count in here. And if our filtered result is empty, if I wrote like random, as you can see, no result found, and try different keywords or change your filters in here. And it is else, I mean, our filtered result is not empty. We are gonna call to our search result card in here, and we are defining actually our card item, coffee type card art item in here. We have a one result parameter in type search result, and inside the Z stack we have a rounded rectangle and one image, as you can see in here. The left side you can see we are taking result.image in here, and inside the vertical stack, as you can see, if our type result.type equals to product, we are gonna call our price in here, and we are adding our result.subtitle, as you can see in here. Inside the horizontal stack we are displayed name. If our rating equals to, if our type equals to product, and if our rating bigger than 0, we are adding a star field in here, as you can see in here. And preparation time, our is not empty, and our resort.type equals to product. We are adding a clock in here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.